Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I want to take you with me for a drive in my 1986 BMW E30 325i. And I absolutely love this car. As it is a 325i, it of course has the legendary 6-in-line M20 engine. And it drives and sounds just amazingly. Besides that, what I also really love about this car is the color. The color is Agate Green, or Agate Green in German, and I think it just pops so well. It's very beautiful. It also has a green fabric interior, which I will show you later. As you might be able to tell, there is also a body kit on the car. And at first glance, people often think that it's an M-Tech body kit, but that's not the case. The body kit is actually a PFEBA body kit. If PFEBA doesn't sound familiar or doesn't ring a bell, I honestly can't blame you, because I must say, before buying the car, I also never had heard from PFEBA before. To give you a bit more background about this body kit, well, PFEBA was a German brand from the 1980s that created body kits, and especially for BMW. Even though PFEBA was its own brand and had not really much to do with BMW itself, because BMW at that time, especially early model E30s, they didn't have any body kits by themselves, and PFEBA made these aftermarket body kits, they were often also dealer installed. These body kits came before the famous M-Tech body kits. And as you can see, while it's looking really nice, there are of course a few differences with the M-Tech body kit one. However, you have a front bumper, you also have the side skirts that makes it a bit lower and a bit wider. You also have the trunk lip and the rear bumper as well. So while this body kit couldn't be ordered at BMW themselves, you could actually ask it for once your car arrived that the dealer installed this through the aftermarket PFEBA brand. As BMW not much later came with their own body kits, the famous M-Tech body kits, PFEBA wasn't mounted that very often, so actually having a PFEBA body kit, especially a complete one, is quite rare and very unique. And that's also something I really like about this car. While I really love the look of an M-Tech body kit, it just makes this car a bit more unique, a bit more special, that it's something different than what you very often see when people mount a body kit. Besides that, what we also have are these 15-inch wheels. These are from Waking, and they are the famously called Alpine style look wheels. It's definitely the plan to restore these wheels in the near future, because they have seen better days, but that's for another video. So without further ado, let's continue and jump into the car so we can go for a drive together. All right, let's go. So guys, this was the first drive in the BMW E30 325i. I hope you enjoyed. I definitely will do more of these. So I'm definitely planning on taking you along for more drives like this in different conditions, night sunset or sunrise or you name it. I also definitely want to do this with the E36 when it's beautiful weather, so we can take the E36 328i convertible from 1998 for a spin as well. So definitely stay tuned. If you like this, if you want to see more of these kind of videos, just please let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye guys.